Hey everybody, welcome back. This is a transmission. This is a 6-speed transmission. This is out of a 2012 F450. We got some drums, some clutch packs, and all that stuff in there. You see I got some fluid dripping out. I am replacing the valve body. Driving down the road, this thing would just shift all over the place on its own. And if you look at this harness right here, let me move up on here. This harness, the valve body sits right inside here. This harness plugs up to all the solenoids, and this plugs up to the transmission fluid temp sensor. And so one of the plungers is stuck inside of the valve body, so I will show you the valve body, and then I didn't show you taking it out, but I will show you putting it back in. So let's go take a look at the valve body itself. This is the valve body. It's going to be in there, front of the truck, back of the truck. These are the solenoids. This is where the transmission filter goes. This is your park, neutral, all that stuff. There's a rod that connects to that. But inside here, you see all these plungers right here. A couple of them are stuck and I can't move them, or it'll be stuck in it, won't come back to where it's supposed to be. See if I can get one of them to move. Let's try this one. You see, if you watch right here, barely moves. See if I can find it. So these things get just junk in them all the time, and they don't want to move like they're supposed to. And there's only 4 bolts that hold this in. See the arrow? That bolt, that bolt, that bolt. And where is the? There's one. See that one? You can see the spring move. Barely. It's just stuck. So these are actuating and sending fluid through here to tell it to move, to plunge. Look at that one. That's as far as I can get it to go. But it didn't come all the way back. And so if they get stuck inside of there, they'll move forward and backward. This allows fluid to flow inside all the little main portions inside here. I'm not going to break it open, but see if I can get it to go this way. There it goes. Goes that way, but it didn't come all the way back. That one's. Alright, see, look. See how I push that? See it moving? If I go to this one, it won't move at all. Let's try this one. It won't move. So we got some stuck valves up inside here, and then I will show you how to put this in as soon as I get the new one here. New valve body strategy. I'll need that when I program it. Oh, flip this bad boy over. Put that O-ring in. Hey, Mr. Viking mechanic, I might need to borrow you for a second. Oh. Oh.
Oh boy.
Make sure I'm lined up. That. No, this. Make sure that is.
Where's the bolts?
Something's not right. There it goes. Yeah. Huh?
Nope. It needs to come back a little.
Hang on. There's one. Which way? What has to come back?
That's it right there.
Huh?
It was just that way a little bit.
There's one.
Damn slippery.
Hang on a second. Arrow, arrow, arrow. Is there another one behind you? Long bolt. No. That's for the filter. I think that's it. Oh, that may be for the filter. One there, and one there for the filter. All right, so I can kind of move. Oh, this is the bolts for that piece back there. Right in my beard. That's gonna go like that. And then this one goes right there. Oh, here.
Oh, right beard.
That was cool. Where'd that go? Yeah.
It's dropping nuts.
And bolts. Start the other one. And it's about to drip all over me. Fun stuff. This one goes right jump. And these, that's the temperature sensor. Solenoid plug in. And we can put the pan back on. We're gonna clean. I got fluid dripping all over me. I got a new gasket over. Oh, I gotta put the filter in. Can't forget to put the filter in. So once I get the pan on and get fluid in it, then we'll do this valve body strategy. Filter gasket goes up in there, like so. And then you got 2 short bolts and 1 long bolt. The long one goes in the back, short one in the side, and then directly across from it there's the other one. And this truck's got somewhere around, how many miles are on this? 300 and something thousand, I think. Oh, yeah. Might want to hook that back in, huh? Hook goes in there and then comes up into here. This is for parts and all that good jazz. And then there's a clip that you gotta pull down like that, and it locks in. Plugged in, plugged in, plugged in, everything's plugged in. That's connected, which connects to the range, which moves this lever to allow fluid to go, all good. Yeah. New gasket.
Only the oil pan went in like that.
Huh?
Only the oil pan did that too.
Oh yeah, if the oil pan did this, it'd be a quick job. I'm gonna get these bolts put in here. We'll lower it down, we'll get some transmission fluid put in it. And then I'll show you guys how to program the strategy body. Torque shift 6. Nice. It's in. We're gonna lower down, put fluid in it. And then we are going to program the body, or the control body. There's a solenoid body strategy that we're gonna have to put in. So I was mistaken, it is a 2015, not a 2012, I do apologize. And it's got 347,770 on it. So we're gonna go in here and we are gonna do the valve body, transmission characteristic, solenoid, IDN. Yes. So this is basically just asking, read the transmission strategy from the module provided solenoid data and provide functionality to replace the transmission strategy. Yes. Boink. Transmission characterization. 6R140, 13-digit solenoid body strategy, 8-digit solenoid IDN. So it's going to give me the numbers on it. And we're going to replace it with these numbers. That one and that one. So that's what's in it. 10004567879. We're going to be putting this 232 number in here, and then the 0F60996D. 60996D. That's what we're going to put back in there. So let's go ahead and change this. And that's 2323 64057 1807. And then I'm gonna change this one anyway. 0F60996D. Update. Yes. And then it should pop up on the screen. There it is. There's my new number. Procedure successful. Module software was updated. Function complete. Now I'm going to exit. If the DTCs are set, it wants me to go clear it. Function complete. Function is now exiting. And that's it. So at this point, I'll just start it, shift it through all the gears while I'm sitting still, and then make sure that the fluid level is all good. And that is how you put a valve body in and program strategy into the vehicle. So I appreciate it. Love you guys. See you on the next one. And Andrew and I are going to get started on doing an injector on cylinder number 3. See you guys.